The Trico Foundation created the biennial Social EnterPrize in 2011. It is arguably the premier social entrepreneurship award in Canada, and its home is Calgary. This year, we were excited to enter into an ongoing collaboration with the Haskayne School of Business to take this award and Calgary's leadership in social entrepreneurship to the next level.
I think the most lasting impact that we make is that we create culture in a unique way in a setting that is safe and affordable for Indigenous artists so that they can progress with their personal and professional development.
The key goal is helping Calgary's social entrepreneurs get to the next level. But there's an additional aspect in it, in that it's specifically designed to build on the work that our local community members are doing to support our local social entrepreneurs.
This award gives us a little bit more placement in the social venture community, and it'll give us a larger platform.
For me, it's encouraging and inspiring other businesses to really look at the bottom line of people, profit, and planet together.